Guys, good morning. This is Babs Enterprise. Today I'm here to unbox the Mibro Air Smartwatch. So without wasting much time, let's peel off the seal and then find out what we can find in the package. Wow, I think I have to get something. I really love the packaging and then the artwork on the package. Wow, a very good masterpiece. Good. Yes, I think that's it. Take off this. Guys, so this is your user manual. That's the user manual. Yeah, it guides you on the steps to pair the watch and then connect it to your phone. Some paperwork and then this is with the magnetic charging cable. That's the magnetic charging cable. Good. Guys, this is the watch itself. Wow, very nice masterpiece. Good. It comes with an aluminium finish, as you can see. Let's peel it. I think we need to give it a little bit charge. So guys, that's it. That's the magnetic sensors. Nice finish. You would love this with the silicone straps. Very comfortable on your wrist. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and then click on the notification bell for more updates, for more tech reviews and updates. Do have a blessed day.